In the given reaction, 3-degree alkyl halide undergoes SN reaction. And we know 3-degree alkyl halide must undergoes SN1 reaction. And SN1 reaction is a first order reaction. So if SN1 reaction is a first order reaction, that means this is an example of a first order reaction. And in first order reaction, we know half-life is expressed as 0.693 upon K. That means half-life is independent of initial concentration of P. So that means half-life remains constant, hence the graph A is correct. Now since initial rate depends upon, can be expressed as K into P naught. So if we increase the initial concentration of P, the initial rate would also increase. Hence B cannot be the answer. Now if we look at the C, we know in case of a first order reaction, the concentration of P changes like this, P naught into e to the power minus KT, and the concentration of Q that would change like P naught into 1 minus e to the power minus KT. So from this we can say Q upon P naught, the maximum value Q max is equal to P naught. It cannot exceed the value of P naught. But in the graph C, we see that it increases all the time. Hence C cannot be the answer. Now if we really look at D option, in case of a first order reaction, we know K upon K is equal to this P naught upon P. KT is equal to ln P naught upon P, or we can say minus KT is equal to ln P upon P naught. So the slope of this curve, if we plot the graph of ln P upon P naught versus T, the slope would be negative. And if the slope would be negative, hence D cannot be the answer, because in option D, slope is positive.